And then I'm gonna do this little trick. Do you ever like to like hide the rubber band in your hair when you're doing a ponytail? Okay, cool. I'm gonna show you how to hide that. I'm just gonna take one little piece here. Let me give you, put this in your right hand if you don't mind.
Okay,
I don't want to put it in my mouth because I can't talk then. Just take one little piece. You can take your nail, you could take the end of a rat tail comb, just take one piece of hair. It doesn't really matter from where. It could be the top or the side or whatever. A good enough piece. And then you can put a little hairspray on your hair if you need to, but you're just gonna take that piece of hair and literally wrap it around the pony. It just kind of finishes off the pony, makes it look a little bit, I don't know, less casual, more finished looking. I'm gonna put a little hairspray. Sometimes this is hard for people because they can't get it to stay. And I would say you probably just like didn't get the end of the, like you didn't get the hair that you're trying to pin maybe. And you're just gonna kind of secure the end of that piece and like stick it in there. See, it's a little bit loose, so I'm gonna put a little more spray and just do another bobby pin. Thank you. I got some of the hair, but it didn't hold all of the hair. And is your hair flat iron today?
No, just the blow dryer.
Okay. Sometimes when the hair is flat ironed, it like is a little extra like less cooperative. I should say, like it does crazy things, like it'll go straight when you curl it or you're trying to like bend it and it won't stay. So your hair is just, you know, finer and straighter naturally. So you just gotta do a couple extra pieces and a little extra. I would say the hairspray is probably the game changer. Do you use hairspray usually when you try to do that little trick?
No, actually, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's the thing. Most people just don't use enough product. And usually it's hairspray and they want a good end result. I'm just gonna make your pony a little fuller. I'm gonna use this extension brush again and just tease the underneath so it looks a little bit more like dramatic. I'm just gonna brush over the top layer. I'm telling you, this extension brush can be used for like everything. And it just like makes it a nice full pony. I feel like this, I mean, I've done high ponies like this on brides, so this could be formal if you know, really wanted to. Look at this ponytail, you guys. Ta-da! You like it?
Yeah, oh my god, I love it.
Yay!
So fun.
Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you out.